All right, so let's talk a little bit about formatting, and then we'll talk about exporting to Excel, which is really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want to format this. It's not in the perfect, I mean, it's readable and it's usable. But let's say that I wanted to divide this between interior and exterior spaces. So if I look at my fields, right, I have the comments as one of my fields. And so I just added that. And that's a text parameter that comes with, right, the areas. So if I pick the area, see if I can get an area in here. There's one. You have comments, right? So you can use that to format things. So let's go to this guy here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my sorting and grouping, and instead of doing it by name, I'm going to sort it by the comments and then by name. Okay. And I'm going to put a header and a footer on the comments, and I am going to tell it to do totals. All right. And then I'll just say total occupancy here. This is doing the grand total at the bottom. And then I'll click OK. And so what it's going to do, it's going to split it between exterior and interior and then give me those totals for each of those. If you wanted to do it between linear um, and area calculations, you could do that too. You just need to have a row to sort by. Now let's say I wanted to get rid of the bathrooms and I didn't want that in there at all, right? And so I'll just come in and I will go and edit my fields or filter my fields and remove the bathroom. So I'm going to filter by name, does not equal bathrooms, right? And then it'll get rid of the bathrooms for me. Okay. Um, One of the shortcomings of this, of course, is that if I unhide all, and here's my areas, right? Unfortunately, the area readouts for the linear do not work correctly, right? So if I come in here and let's hide these guys, we're not looking at all of that. It would be nice to have the areas, right? But this would be linear. So that's kind of up to you how you handle, how you handle that. So it's possible you might need to bring it out to Excel and adjust it and bring it back in, even though we're getting the correct number here. It would be nice to be able to have the area. But you can bring it in and out of Excel. The other thing is you could hide this comments. Sorry, hide that, and you kind of get it down to the bare bones. In the end, you actually kind of have to hide this one. Unfortunately, that's just the one thing that if somebody knows how to get those to work, then that would be great. But I don't know how to do that. So, like, if you could get away with that on your chart for submission, I don't know. But let's go ahead and say that this is our schedule, and we're going to export this guy to Excel in the next video.